Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I said we would make another video on this game, and today we have Tyler with us. Say hi.
Hi guys, what's up? I'm just chillaxing over here. Okay. We're gonna do some detox.
Today we're back on Dedoxed, on Roblox.
I'm getting ready to watch my favorite subscriber, Mike DeVecchio's YouTube.
Okay,
This is what I look like as I'm getting on my tablet to watch his videos.
Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and I'll see you guys when the intermission's done. Okay, guys, we're the hacker.
I'm a hacker.
Okay.
We need to find each other. Quick.
Okay, I'm gonna hack the, power.
Yeah, we're all hacking the power right now. Everyone's the power.
Dun. I'll see you guys when I'm done hacking. Okay, guys, I finished hacking that. Alright.
Alright, I'm getting the last one.
Alright.
Hold on. Come on, I'm almost there. Don't do me like this. Come on.
Alright.
Alright.
I think I got, oh wait, I don't need to hack this.
Get ready, guys, get ready. Power should be on really soon.
This light just turned on.
Yep, all the lights should turn on.
Alright.
Alright, get ready, the CEO is coming to kill us.
Oh no.
Hack the servers. Someone needs our help.
Ooh, I'll get them. I'll try to get them at least. Alright, here I come. Alright, we're just gonna hack this. Alright.
Quick, hack the servers. I can't hack.
I need to save this guy first. Oh, no, the CEO.
Dude, I'm in the room he just unlocked. I'm hiding in that room.
Oh my gosh. Really?
Yeah, I was in the room he just unlocked.
He just went the opposite direction I was.
No, he got me. Crap.
Darn it.
Crap.
Okay.
No, he got me.
I'll try and
Get up.
I'll try to save you after I hack this, okay?
No, dude. Okay. Damn it. Okay.
Oh no.
I have been captured. Help me out, dude.
I'll try and get you right after I'm done hacking this. Oh, I just got captured.
Someone freed me.
No.
I'm gonna help you out, man.
Okay.
I gotta free this guy first, though.
Alright. Please, hurry up.
Alright, I saved someone. I'm coming to get you, okay?
Okay.
I'm coming to get you, okay?
Okay, you're coming to get me? Alright. I see her. I see you. Come on. Go.
Wait, get out. Hide.
Hide.
Before he sees you. I'll hack this server. Go find another server.
Okay. I think there's a server in there.
Two more. I'm hacking one.
I don't know if this one's already hacked. Like, I can't tell the difference.
If it's red, it's hacked.
Oh.
If it's red. Wait, no. If it's red, it's not hacked. If it's green, it's hacked. Alright, quick. We need one more. We have to find one.
Okay.
I'm coming with you in case.
Wait, I found one. I got it.
Okay, you hack that. I'm gonna hide under this. Oh, dude, if you hover your mouse over this bottle of water, it says stale water.
Wow.
Really?
Okay. I gotta run. Okay, I'm gonna.
Alright, here, let's grab this. Hack it.
Alright.
I'll watch your back and hack some computers.
Okay. So we got all the servers. That's good.
Here, I'll use this little room in case we need to hide somewhere.
Okay.
Go look around.
Alright.
That's an exit.
I'm almost done hacking this.
Alright, yeah, that frees, I think that frees everybody. It's really good.
There we go.
Right, let's go find some.
Wait, I think this,
No. It frees someone and it tells, right, tells you where the guy is. I'm gonna hack this. You go hack that other room, okay?
Okay. This
No,
one?
it's a server. Crap. I found it. It's a server. Here, you hack that door. I'll hack this door.
Okay. Wait. Hold on. There's a server?
There's a computer in here. I found one.
Oh.
I'm hacking it.
Okay.
Crap. Dude, I messed up. Crap. Hide.
I'm gonna go under here.
The CEO's coming.
Okay, the CEO is coming?
Yeah, I messed up by accident. You
Oh.
need to just hide somewhere.
I'm hiding.
Yeah, the CEO will be coming soon.
Oh, I just lagged out a little bit.
So, keep recording if we're hiding, because that's really suspenseful. Am I right, guys? Am I right, guys?
Looks like we lost.
Oh, game over. We lost.
Yep.
Oh, it was a really short round, apparently.
Yeah.
Hey, you were an MVP.
Wow.
Dude, we all lost.
Okay, guys, I'll see you when the intermission's done. Okay, guys, the map is loading right now, guys.
I'm the CEO. I'm the CEO.
Oh no, Tower's the CEO. I gotta hack this.
I gotta get everyone. Oh, and it's night vision. I can see better.
Alright,
Oh,
I need to hack this.
Well, I'm gonna find you.
Oh, you're not gonna find me. I keep finding like all the things I need to hack. The power. Come on. Why don't I need to hack that? Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna get you.
No, you're not gonna get me.
Where are you, little rascals?
I'm not a little rascal. I'm a little
You little rascal. Oh, it appears. There's a man here. Oh, I found him.
Lag.
Alright.
You just captured something. Oh, no.
I dare you to save him.
No.
Save the funny boy.
No, I'm not gonna save him.
Good to know. Now you're gonna save him.
No, I'm not. I mean, if you really want me to save him, I guess I might.
Yes, go save him, please.
I might. I don't. You're probably camping there.
Of course I am.
Of course you are.
Oh, I saw a boy.
Oh, wait. Ooh, I found a server.
Get over here.
Why did I make that noise?
I'm running after this.
There's like...
Oh, I found 2 people.
You found 3.
Oh, hi.
Oh, darn it.
I got you.
No, you didn't find me. Darn it. You did. Well, I'm just gonna pause the video until I get out, I guess. No, don't, no. Okay.
There it is.
What? Oh, no, you won't be able to get me in time. No, darn it. No.
Yes.
Okay, guys, I'll see you when I'm out. Oh, someone's hacking. Ooh, someone's finding me. Oh, yes, I'm out.
Crap. Okay.
I should not be.
Where you guys are now.
I should not be telling you this, so I'm gonna hide. Come on, open. No. And close.
I got one guy.
There we go. Ooh, I can't speak. I found one of the servers I need to hack when I was hiding.
Stop.
No, I'm not gonna stop. Alright. Almost there. Come on. No, I need to do one of these again. There we go. No. Yes! Hacked it. You're not gonna find me, dude.
I may not find you, but I'm gonna find everyone else.
I leveled up. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna run. Come on.
Oh, I found the other guy.
No, you didn't.
Oh, are you sure about that? Because I'm chasing him as we speak.
I don't believe you.
Get him! Oh my god! Get him!
I don't know where I'm going right now, but I actually don't know where I'm like. So, have you found anyone yet?
I'm still going after him.
Oh. I think I'm going in circles. Like, I don't know what the heck.
Get back here.
Oh, cheerleaders in the game. One of our friends.
Yeah, I know. I'm chasing this one guy. Get back here, little kiddo. Escaping me.
Okay, I'm definitely going in circles. I've been here before. I need to do something. I'm gonna see if I can find it. Oh wait, I can't hack that.
Crap, he's making a run for it. I gotta get him.
Lag. Is the exit open?
Nope, it's not open yet. And it never will be.
No.
Yeah, get over here, little kiddo.
No. Lag. That's unfair. I had to.
That was a lot of lag. I saw that happen too.
Oh my gosh. No.
That was really unfair.
That is unfair.
That was really unfair. I'm just gonna sit here and, camp on the side.
That's unfair.
We're murdering you.
Okay, guys. I'll see you when I'm out, I guess. No. Could you get me out, please? Let me out. I don't think we're gonna make it in time.
Of course you're not. I'm chasing the final guy.
And there's only 10 seconds left, so I guess we lost. Darn it.
Game over.
Well, we're gonna have to end the video here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
I'll see you later. Check me out on Forbearance Clubs for daily, or not daily, but at least usual videos. And this guy is great. Thanks for having me, Dr. Trey.
You're welcome. Bye.
Guys.
Bye, guys.